Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying credentials and basic access. Check the bot token and OAuth scopes. Make sure it has manage messages, send messages, and read message history. Once done, confirm the bot shows online and the correct gateway intents are enabled so it can read reactions. Also, inspect the configured channel ID, command prefix, and role whitelist. A single typo breaks matching. If any item fails, rotate the token or re-invite with correct scopes. Then retest one giveaway command. Now dive into the middle of the flow, event handling and state. Open your reaction add and reaction remove handlers. Ensure they parse the message ID and emoji consistently. Then, confirm scheduled jobs or timers read NZAT from the database, not an in-memory cache that resets on restart. Once done, reconcile entries count with stored participants, and verify locks prevent double counting. Meanwhile, tail logs for unhandled rejections, HTTP 429, and finish by running a controlled test. Create a short giveaway and enlist 2 or 3 test accounts to reproduce the flow from entry to winner pick. After the test, validate that the winner selection logic reads the authoritative entrance list and uses a fair RNG. If draws or announcements fail, rerun selection locally against the stored entrance and inspect locks. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging and monitor rate limit headers. When you see retry after, pause and back off before retrying to avoid cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.